Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to make chart using Excel VBA code. These are the 5 steps for making chart using Excel VBA. First, we have to declare variables for source data. Source data means chart source data and the chart object. And second, we have to set the data range in the source data variable. And third, we need to create the empty chart. And the fourth, we have to set the source data for the empty chart created in the third step. Okay. Then fifth is an optional step. You can assign chart type like column chart or bar chart or line chart, depends on your requirement. Okay. Let's talk about this with an example. Okay, so in the example sheet we have a table here which is showing regions, sales and profit. So when I click the make chart button, it should create chart based on this source data. Okay, for that let's switch to Visual Basic interface. Okay, so here I already made a sub called create chart, and in the create chart I declared the worksheet variable and set the worksheet variable to example sheet. Okay, so first step, declare variables for the source data and the chart object. So I'm saying like dim R and G as range, and I'm saying like dim CHT as object. Okay, so this R and G we will be using for the chart data range, and CHT we will be using for the chart object. Okay, now we have to set the data range. Data range is starting from A1 till C5. So I'm just saying like set R and G is equal to ws dot range of A1 to C5. Okay, so in this line we set the data range for the chart. Okay, so now the third step, we need to create the empty chart object. Okay, for that I will write set CHT is equal to ws dot shapes dot add chart 2. So this is a code for creating the chart object. So if I execute this code right now, it is going to make an empty chart object. Let's see that. I right click, assign the macro, and I just give create chart. And when I click this, you can see a chart object is created with nothing inside it because we haven't set the source data for this chart. So I'm just deleting this one. I'll go back to Visual Basic again. Now the fourth step, we have to set the source data for the chart. So I'm just saying like CHT, which is a chart object. Then I'm saying like cht.chart.set source data. Then I'm saying source colon equals R and G. What does that mean? So we are setting the source data for the CHT chart object to R and G, which is A1 to C5. So right now if I execute this, this will give me the default column chart created using this source data. So our code is now working. Now the optional fifth step. Optional fifth step means assign the chart type. Chart type means automatically it creates the column chart. If you want other type other than the column chart, we can say like CHT dot chart type equal Excel bar clustered. I'm just saying like I want a clustered bar chart as a chart type. So now if I click this button, it makes a bar chart for me. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.